sweep you up like a rubber. Straight up, I got you, making you fall like that. Oh, when I look in the mirror, I melt your heart into two. I got the superstar glow, so
Hi guys, this is Bosslady Shruti and today I have a super fun MEESHO haul for you guys. I absolutely have been loving shopping from MEESHO because I feel like they have some really cool trendy pieces without breaking your bank. And if you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I'm a broke bitch. I mean, no matter how much money I have in my bank or not, my mentality is that of a broke bitch. I will not and don't want to pay more money when I know I can get stuff for cheaper. That is just me. So I love MEESHO because they have such a wide variety of such affordable products, and I actually wanted to get some pieces which I can obviously wear, you know, while I'm shooting and stuff like that. And I feel like when I shop at MEESHO, I feel like I'm literally shopping at Colaba Causeway because the prices are so affordable.
Ordering from MEESHO is also super simple. All you have to do is download the MEESHO app, browse through all the amazing products that they have there. They have a bunch of Indian wear, Western wear, home decor products, you name it, MEESHO has it over there. And they also have free delivery on all orders, cash on delivery and easy returns. So you really have nothing to worry about here. And the great part is that on your first order, you get a flat 30% discount or a discount of ₹100. So what are you waiting for? Download the MEESHO app now.
So yes, if you want to know all the amazing, awesome spring summer must-haves that I got from MEESHO, please keep watching. So first up, let me start off with this super banger red cocktail dress. I am in love with the color of this. This is that perfect tomato red that I feel is going to flatter a variety of skin tones. I feel like it will suit someone who's more fair and someone who is, you know, probably as tan as I am. I love the fit of this. It is obviously a bodycon dress, which you guys know I am a big fan of. And the ruffles under the chest really kind of accentuate your beautiful womanly curves in a very, very flattering way, which I think is amazing. I cannot wait to wear this for like a girly date night because obviously nobody's taking me out on like a actual date night, so I might actually end up wearing this when I go out with my girlies. But yeah, I feel this would be perfect if you want to go out on your dinner date with your boo and want to look cute and classy and sexy. And also the price of this was very, very affordable, which is what I love about MEESHO. And I feel like wearing a dress like this keeps everything very simple. You feel sexy. All you need is a pair of chandelier earrings and your nude shoes and you're ready for your hot date. Next up is this really cute and girly, this is like a greenish pastel top. I love the color of this. I felt like this color was so unique. I personally do not have a color like this in my wardrobe, and when I saw this, I fell in love. I love the way that it fits my body type. I genuinely like wearing things which are fitted. I'm not a big fan of wearing like oversized or baggy kind of clothing. So this is right up my alley. When I wore this top, I legit felt like I am in an 80s movie. So that's why I put my hair up in like a little scarf because it gave me such girly, cutesy vibes. I am in love. So I feel like anytime I feel like being a little girly, a little like flirty and romantic, this is definitely a top that I'm going to be reaching out for. And I feel this is very versatile as well because you can wear it with jeans. Here I'm wearing it with these super nice white pants. I feel like you can also wear this with like white skirts and stuff and feel really cute and girly. So yeah, this top is super cute. Next up is this plain black crop top. I feel like something as basic as this always gets overlooked, but for me these are the things that I gravitate towards the most, honestly, because I feel like if you keep your wardrobe kind of basic, you can play up with accessories, which is what I like doing. I don't like having very like busy prints and everything in my personal sense of style. I like going in for basics that I can, you know, kind of jazz up with accessories. Here I feel like something like this is going to be perfect for an airport look wherein I just want to like wear jeans, this, and maybe like a cap or something like that, and just be like, don't at me today. I am very busy. I just need to catch my plane and I need to be off from here. So I'm a busy woman. I feel like the outfit that I'm wearing right now is perfect for an airport look. You know, the time wherein you want to be like, you know what, I'm too busy for this. I ain't got time for this shit. I got places to be, I got things to do. You know, one of those days when you're just like, I don't need no social interaction. I'm a busy woman. I got things to do and places to be. So just move out of my way. Okay. Just move out of my way. So that is why I love wearing basics like this. So the great thing about this is that this actually came in a pack of 2. So I got the black and the yellow one wala combo. I definitely, like I said, feel like this is something that I will be wearing when I am out and about and I want to go to the airport, or when I'm traveling, because this is very comfortable and it kind of gives you this chic feeling without you having put a lot of effort. And honestly, I love outfits that look effortless, and I feel like something as basic as this looks so effortless and chic, which is totally my vibe, totally up my alley, totally my style. So the next time I'm at the airport, I might be rocking one of these looks. Just saying. Next up is this beautiful, gorgeous lavender lilac number we have here. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So a ton of you guys in my previous video asked me where this top is from, and yes, it is from MEESHO. I feel like this lavender color is such a trendy color right now. I see everyone wearing it, so of course, like, I wanted to jump onto the trend and get myself one of this as well. And the great thing about this is that I feel like you can use this top in a variety of ways. I actually think that I might do like an Instagram video to just show you all the ways that you can use this top, because I feel like the tie-ups are a very interesting detail and you can definitely use this top in a variety of ways. That is why honestly I love things which are like versatile, because you get more uses out of it rather than, you know, just wearing it one way or like one time and then be like, acha theek hai, Instagram pe to photo chala gaya, I don't know what to do about this. So let me know in the comments down below if you want me to make that Instagram video.
Who am I kidding? I'm still gonna make that Instagram video even if you don't comment, but comment kar do, acha rahega.
So yeah, for versatility, this top gets a 10 on 10. Next up is this really sexy one shoulder black crop top. You guys know already, I am a big fan of crop tops. Like, I think all the tops that I've shown you in this are like crop tops, because that's my vibe. Like, high-waisted jeans and crop tops is kind of like my uniform at this point. And I have actually worn this really beautiful jewelry set along with this, just kind of to give it an Indo-Western touch. This is something that I've been loving doing lately, which is kind of wearing Indian jewelry pieces with my Western outfits. Honestly, dresses up your look so much more. Like, you've put in so much more effort than you have. And Indian jewelry pieces are such love. Like, they just, like I said, they elevate any look by a million times. This is something that I've been loving doing. I like wearing like Indian jewelry with my basic sort of Western tops. That's also the reason why I love wearing like these basics, because I feel like you can really dress it up or dress it down with accessories, just so that I want to keep the jewelry as kind of the main centerpiece of this outfit. I want to take my hair back and put it in a ponytail. I feel a look like this is perfect if I want to go out for brunch, like with my parents or something like that. You want to be stylish and sexy, but at the same time you want to look sophisticated. So I feel like Indian jewelry pieces with your basics is a stunning idea. So I definitely highly recommend you guys to, you know, try out this trend for yourself, because I am loving it. I'm loving this top and the jewelry set that I got from MEESHO. Next up is this super girly, cute, frilly lavender top. I love the way that this looks. Lavender right now is a super trendy color. Everyone and their mother is honestly wearing this color. And previously I had got this top from MEESHO, which had the same sleeve and pattern, but it was like kind of full length, and I tucked the excess fabric inside and wore it as a crop top. So when I saw this, that it was actually a crop top, like the way that I actually wanted it, so then I just said like, add to cart. Like honestly, I feel like this is definitely like a going out kind of a outfit. Your skinny jeans, this top, and chandelier earrings, you can definitely, you know, wear this and go out for dinner with your girlies, or even like a really nice, I think this could be even like a really romantic date night outfit. A top like this you can take from day to night. You can do like white pants and have brunch with your girls, and you can wear like black skinny denims or leggings or something of that sort, and be ready for a night out with your boo. So I feel like this top is again very, very versatile, and lavender is the color, yo. Lavender is the color of the season. Next up is this super girly pink organza shirt. I don't know why I have been gravitating towards this really girly sort of a vibe lately. Honestly, if you had asked me even like a couple of months back, like, Shruti, do you think you are like a girly girl? I would have been like, hell no. But I don't know, I'm kind of going through a phase wherein I just feel like being all pretty and girly and feminine. So I guess that's why I've been drawn to like organza and poof sleeves and frills and like really girly romantic fits. This pink shirt is a definite romantic fit, and the best part is that the inner comes along with the shirt, which is amazing, because a lot of times I've seen that, you know, when you get things which are affordable, they don't have any innerwear that come along with it. So it's really nice that the innerwear also comes along with it. So it's like a two-piece set that you get for this price. And again, I feel like something like this is so girly and cute. Pink is definitely, I know, every girl's favorite color, so that's an added bonus. I will say though that this material can feel like slightly scratchy on the skin, not a lot, but if you have like very, very sensitive skin, then maybe you might get a little irritated with this fabric. But that is also how organza is. Like, the beauty of organza is that it has that, you know, beautiful romantic vibe to it, but it is not the most easy to carry, and it can feel a little uncomfortable. So keep that in mind before you get this. But I love the fit of this. It is so girly, it is so cute. And again, I feel like this is something that you can wear it with skirt, you can wear it with wide-legged pants for a more like formal look, and you can wear it with like skinny jeans for a little, you know, a casual, sexy night out look. So again, ton of ways that you can use this top, and a definite yes for the girly girl. Next up is this white ruffle off-shoulder crop top. I honestly love anything white. I feel this top has everything that ticks my boxes. Crop, yes. Ruffle, yes. White, yes. Hell, yes. So I feel like this had my name written all over it when I was browsing through the website. The best thing that I like about this top is that it actually has these cuffs that are there at the wrist, which are like your full sleeve. A lot of times you will see these tops which are like 3/4 length, but these are actually like full length for me, and I have really long arms. मेरे हाथ कानून के हैं, बहुत लंबे. So for me, if it fits like fully, I am like wow, which is a great thing, which doesn't happen very easily when I get like ready-made garments. So that is why I love this top, and I again feel like this is like a very cool, comfy, casual sort of a top that you can wear anytime that you want to be stepping out. I don't know when we will be stepping out, but anytime you do want to look a little decent and want to step out, I think something like this with just plain blue jeans or black jeans will look amazing. So next up is this white shirt with this zipper detail at the top. I feel like I've literally seen everyone on Instagram wear a shirt like this in like various colors. This for some reason really reminds me of a tennis outfit, because I feel like this with like a tennis skirt and I'll be ready to like play some balls, if you know what I mean. This along with like a skater skirt I feel is like the perfect tennis uniform. And I feel something like this is like casual yet cool and trendy at the same time, which is honestly an aesthetic and vibe that I love going for. Here I'm wearing it with high-waisted denims, but like I said, even with like cute skater skirt or something of that sort, a top like this will look super cute, and I cannot wait to style it in all those different ways. So look out for it on my Instagram. Just saying. So yes, that is all the things that I wanted to show you guys in my MEESHO haul. I honestly have been loving shopping from MEESHO. I feel like they have some really cool trendy pieces. I will say थोड़ा ढूंढना पड़ता है, but ढूंढने से तो भगवान भी मिल जाता है यार, तो थोड़ा तो ढूंढना बनता है. I feel like they have amazing variety of like a bunch of things, which is just incredible. And I've shopped with them like 3 times now, and all the times I've never had any problems with the products that I've got or with the delivery or anything of that sort. So because I know a lot of times people are a little wary of these things, so I just wanted to kind of give my personal experience out there. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite. For me, that like tie-up lavender lilac top and the red dress are like my absolute favorite. Like I cannot wait to actually wear it out. But I also want to know from you guys like which one is your like absolute favorite. Then I can maybe make more content wearing those things. Yeah, I guess that is it for today. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time Mwah makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy. Mwah.